Hey guys! Welcome to Comprehensive Medz Learning. Today we will learn what is thyroid gland. So let's start. Thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped endocrine gland located anteriorly in the neck. The function of thyroid gland is to secrete hormones T3 and T4, which are secreted and then enter the bloodstream and perform their function. These hormones also regulate the metabolism and various other functions in the body. Release of thyroid hormones from thyroid gland is controlled by TSH secreted from pituitary gland, and which is regulated by thyrotropin-releasing hormones secreted by pituitary gland. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to support us.